Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to explain geometric primitives, clipping, viewing, rendering and animation. So first talk about geometric primitives. These are the basic shapes like points, lines and polygons that are used to create more complex objects in computer graphics. They serve as the building blocks for creating 3D models and scenes. Next is clipping. Ever wonder how your computer knows what part of an object to display on screen? That's where clipping comes in. Clipping in computer graphics refers to removing objects or parts of an object outside the visible area of computer screen. Types of clipping techniques. First is point clipping. It determines whether a point lies within a specified region. Second is line clipping. It involves determining which part of line segment are within the viewing region. Third is polygon clipping. It determines which part of polygon are within the viewing region. Now let's talk about viewing. Viewing is all about perspective. It's how we transform three-dimensional scenes into two-dimensional images that we can see on our screen, from adjusting camera angles to defining field of view. Viewing parameters play a crucial role in how we perceive virtual worlds. Rendering. Polygon rendering is a fundamental technique in computer graphics used to represent three-dimensional objects in two-dimensional space. It involves providing appropriate shading at each point of polygon to create the illusion of a real object. This technique is essential for creating realistic images and animations in various applications, including video games, movies, and simulations. Polygon rendering methods. First is constant intensity shading. It is also called flat shading. Every point on the polygon has the same constant intensity value, resulting in uniform appearance. Second is Gouraud shading. This rendering is done by intensity interpolation. At each point, the intensity value is calculated. Third is normal vector interpolation shading. At each point of the surface, it interpolates the normal vector and applies the illumination model. It gives more real highlights of the surface. Last, animation. Computer animation is a visual digital display technology that processes the moving images on screen. Animation techniques or methods. First is frame by frame. It is the traditional method. In this method, animation was done by hands because of the absence of computer aided drawing facilities. Second is procedural. In this, set of rules are used to animate the object. Third, behavioral. According to this method or technique, to a certain extent, the character or object determines its own action, which allows the character to improve later. Fourth, keyframing. A keyframe in computer animation is a frame where we define changes in an animation. Fifth, motion capture. This method of animation uses the live location or motion footage of a living character which is recorded to computer via video cameras and markers, and later that action or motion is used to animate the character, which gives the real feel to the viewers as if the real human character are being animated. Sixth, dynamics. In this method, simulations are used in order to produce a quite different sequence while maintaining the physical reality.